Are dirty windows diminishing your storefront? It can be challenging to showcase your business with bird droppings and dust on the glass. To make matters worse, each change of season brings new outside cleaning challenges. It can be tough to keep up. There are many benefits to maintaining clean windows, such as a boost in curb appeal. First impressions matter. Studies have shown that on average, a passerby will glance at your business and decide within 9 seconds on whether or not to enter. Clean glass also lets in more sunlight, which creates a warmer, welcoming atmosphere. Small doses of UV light can improve mood and increase productivity as a result. By cleaning the glass, you can also prolong its life. Periodic cleaning helps reduce common mineral buildup from hard water, such as calcium and magnesium. If left to build up, hard water stains can reduce visibility and become difficult to remove. We know you've got a lot on your plate, so let us take care of the dirty work. At Business Cleaning Solutions, we specialize in commercial cleaning services that are designed to make your life easier. Our team of pros can squeegee clean your windows and keep them looking great any time of year. We offer a variety of service options, all at the right price. So let in the sunlight and entice foot traffic with windows that really shine. Call us for a free window cleaning quote today.